Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Lusha credits and enrichment results. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Lusha credits and enrichment results, begin by logging into your Lusha account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your credits displayed prominently. Locate the credits section, which shows the total number of credits available to you. Next, click on the Enrichment tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you will find a list of all your recent enrichment results. Select the specific enrichment result you wish to verify. Upon clicking, a detailed view will appear. This view provides valuable information, including the accuracy status of the data retrieved. If everything looks correct, you can proceed to use the enriched data. To verify your credits, return to the Credits section. Check the number of credits deducted for the recent enrichment. If you notice any discrepancies, take a moment to review your usage history. You can access this by clicking on the Usage History tab. This section will show you all transactions involving your credits. Compare the transaction details with the enrichment results you've verified. If you still have questions, consider reaching out to Lusha support for assistance. Now you have a clear understanding of how to verify your credits and enrichment results on Lusha. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.